case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1980, the United States Court of Appeals for the First Circuit heard the Puerto Rico vs. SS Zoe Colocotroni case, which focused on whether representatives of Puerto Rico could sue for damages caused by harm to natural resources, and determining the amount of damages based on the cost of restoring the environment to its pre-existing condition. The lawsuit was filed by the Commonwealth of Puerto Rico and the Environmental Quality Board, EQB, against the owners and underwriters of the SS Zoe Colocotroni, an oil tanker responsible for an oil spill in 1973. The spill, involving over 5,000 tons of crude oil, resulted from the ship running aground on a reef and led to significant environmental and marine life damage. The plaintiffs claimed expenses for cleanup, sediment removal, mangrove replanting, and replacement costs for marine animals killed in the incident. The district court awarded more than $6 million in damages to the plaintiffs, but the defendants objected, citing abuse of discretion, lack of personal jurisdiction, and errors in finding liability and measuring damages. The defendants' motion for relief from judgment and correction of the record was denied by the district court. The appellate court affirmed the district court's decisions on personal jurisdiction and the plaintiff's standing to recover damages, along with the rejection of limiting damages by commercial or market value standards. The case was remanded to the district court for further evidence on damages and was assigned to the same judge to avoid confusion.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.